And in response to some of the haters out there about how I did this, yes, I did lay the patch panel over top the original bedside. And why was that? I did that because that's how the truck came to me, right? It was overlaid. If you look at this picture here of a before, that's the old one. If you look at this picture here of before, that's how I got it. And because of that, they overlaid it with no rust protection and it cut out on the old rust. They pulled up rust on either side, right? And just created bigger holes that I had to cut more sheet metal from scrap to fill in. And the other reason is because they overlaid it, this whole bedside on both sides is full of Bondo, the whole thing. So I didn't want to strip the whole bedside down to get it flat, to butt weld like you're supposed to do with a patch panel. To me, it's not worth it. It's my work truck. Call it Pewter Pete. That's what my buddy named it before I got it. Pewter, because it's a silver pewter. Now, will it rust out? Maybe in the future, years from now. But I have neutralized all the rust. I use special rust stuff. You look at my other videos. I PR'd 15 everything and sealed everything up with 3M adhesive between the inner wheelhouse and the outer wheelhouse, the patch panel, whatever. I think it's going to be well. I'm still looking for a rust-free bed. I want a step-side bed. They're hard to find. So, is it the perfect solution? No. Yes. Could I have put a bedside on it? Absolutely. But they're $1,100, $1,200 shipped to my house. I got to take the bed off and screw or drill out all these spot welds all along there. Take the bed off, do them on the front side of the bed, then take out that tail light. It's a lot of work, and I don't want to do that to it. This bed is just to get me through for a few years before I can find another bed. I want a step-side bed. I'm probably gonna go to Texas or South Carolina or something, get a bed. But plus side is, look how rusted that door is, the rear door. I got 2 doors from 2 different rust-free trucks. They are clean. And they're the same color. Only thing that sucks is that the passenger side door panel is tan. I wish it was black, because my interior is black. And my door panel, for whatever reason, is all cracked and banged up. So it is, I think, the guy, CJ Durbin, the guy that sold me this door, the driver's side door, he also has a rust-free passenger side door with a black door panel. So I told him, let me know if he wants to sell that door panel. But anyways, this is Pewter Pete. I know everybody wants to hate. Everybody hated that video, got my most views probably ever. It's like 12 or 14,000 views. So thanks for the hate.